Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of June. So for those of you who don't know, BOXYCHARM is a $21 beauty subscription service. Pretty much you get monthly boxes delivered to your door. The boxes total usually over $100, which is insane for $21. It is a great way to build your makeup collection or try new products out. I have found a lot of love for products I've gotten in these boxes, and I can thank nothing else but BOXYCHARM for doing it. So I'm just going to get into this. I will leave the weight of my package below because apparently there are variations to this. So depending on the weight, depends on what you got. So let's just pop into this. Okay, so the first thing as usual is the card. So 2 months ago in April, they had this card format where pretty much all the products that we have are inside, and there are variations. The variation number is on the back here. So this happened 2 months ago, and then last month they went back to the regular card format, but I'm really happy they're bringing this back because I love it so much. And there is usually discount codes on the backs, which there is. So let's just pop into the box. Okay, I'm gonna start here. Okay, so these are from Baddington Lashes. Oh, so they're lashes. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Wow, look at these lashes. These are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but I don't actually know how to put on false lashes. I've tried a few times, but I've never got them. But these are lashes that like make me want to wear false lashes. I usually do very well with like my natural lashes, but wow, these look so delicate and like beautiful and natural, and I might definitely have to try these. So let me just open this up. These retail for $28. They are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. They enhance your look with a moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. That's awesome. I don't know prices for lashes, but I feel like this is high. I don't know. But these look really awesome, and I'm so excited. I have a reason now to wear lashes or to try. I don't know what a good glue is. If anyone could leave suggestions like down below, you'd help me out so much. All right. Next thing in the box is this. It's an O for liquid lipstick. These are my favorite liquid lipstick formula, and this is in the shade Verona. I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my, oh, this is so my shade. Oh my god, look at that. This is like a warm brown toned nude, which is just everything to me. I'm so excited. I got this, and this retails for $21. I feel like they used to be $19, but I might be making that up. But this retails for $21. It is long lasting, it's creamy, it's moisturizing. These are a liquid lipstick that don't dry out my lips. I feel like they're really comfortable to wear, which I can't say for a lot of liquid lipsticks because they do tend to dry out my lips and like crumble off, but these don't, and I've been looking to add to my Ophir collection, and now I do. I'm so excited we got this in the box. This is shaping up to be a awesome box already. Let's just build into the next product. I'm gonna take this one here. Okay, so this is the Sol de Janeiro, this is their Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This used to be really big a while ago. Oh my god, this smells amazing. This looks like a sample size to me. Let's see what this is. Alright, so this is a deluxe sample size. This retails for $10. This is great for traveling, I feel. I'm just going to put this on my arm a bit. Oh, that feels really nice and buttery and moisturizing. Ooh. It smells so good. It smells like perfume. And this says that it is inspired by the Brazilian favorite feature, a bum bum. I don't know what the bum bum is. Let me look it up. From the pictures on the internet, I assume it is just a butt. It's creamy and rich in a native Amazonian plant whose fruits contain one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add the perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel as smoothest and tightest. And it smells like pistachio caramel. I can see that. This is super cool. And usually when we get smaller size products like this, we do get 6 products in the box, so excited. We got 6 last month too, so they've just been really, oh my god. I'll take that one. Okay, this is a brush pack from Luxie brushes. There are 3 brushes in here. There's the Duo Fiber Powder, there's the Precision Foundation, and the Tapered Highlighting. So the package looks like this. This retails for $42. Okay, so none of these seem to be particularly dense, especially this foundation brush. I'm used to like a denser foundation brush, but this is pretty flexible, as you can see here. So that's interesting. I don't know if I use this for foundation, but I will try this out. And then we have 2 more brushes. This is awesome. And Luxie brushes are super high quality. Then there's this Duo Fiber one. So it's also really like thin and almost like an ovular. Is that a word? And then we have a highlighting brush, which looks pretty similar to the foundation brush, but it's a little bit more like domed, I guess, at the top. This feels really nice. I'm so excited to try these. Wow, this is shaping up to be a fantastic box. All right, I have 2 more products in here. Alright, okay, so this is a eyeliner from Jean Bleu. We got this in our box a few months ago and we got a lip liner. This is an eyeliner in the shade Charcoal, so that is just a black. I feel like it's almost purple looking on my hand, like you can't see it here, but up close I feel like it almost has a purple tint to it. It seems really nice. It's supposed to be waterproof. This retails for $5. I don't typically use black eyeliners, but I will try it out. And the last product is the product I knew we were getting. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina de Caribe palette, and this is what this looks like. I have wanted, okay, first of all, look at these shades. Look at this. This is like the perfect palette, and this is volume 1. So Alamar Cosmetics is by Gaddy. She works for BOXYCHARM, and she also does makeup for Kathleen Lights, but she's more than just that. She is a brand owner now, and she is bringing this back to her Cuban heritage, which I think is really awesome, and these colors look amazing. This is also all in Spanish, these shades like La Costa and Tropico and Celia. I hope I'm saying those right, but I just think it's like really nice to be like inclusive to people who don't necessarily speak English as their first language. I don't know, I love it, and I'm gonna swatch some. I'm gonna swatch Coco Taxi. This is looking really nice. So that's that there, and let's swatch a shimmer. I'm gonna do El Malicón. Wow. I'm sorry, I put it in the weirdest swatch place ever, but that is that, and that is the matte. They both feel really creamy. I still have a whole lot of product on my fingers here. This is $28 if you want to buy it for yourself, and usually there is a code that if you get the brushes along with this, it is free shipping. So that's awesome. I will link Alamar's website down below because I think it's just an awesome thing. I want to put this on my eyeball right now. No, Megan, stop yourself. I'm not going to do this yet. I do plan on doing an entire look with the Alamar palette. Yeah, this just looks so beautiful. I love the little touches. Like there's a little A for the Alamar sign, like right here on the bottom. It just looks so well put together, and like you can tell that she took a lot of time into this palette. This looks absolutely stunning. I'm so excited, and this is a great deal for $28. Alright, let me just total up the box for this month. Okay, so the total for this month's box is $134, which is awesome because, again, you only pay $21 for the box. And this is a great way of testing out new things and trying new things. For example, I'm going to learn how to apply lashes this time. I might even try to, like, I don't know if it'd be a cute video to, like, have me learn and struggle to put on lashes, but I might do that. These look so incredible. I can say I'm legitimately excited for everything in the box except for the eyeliner, and it's not because I don't like the brand, it's because I don't wear black eyeliners. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video.